Hello friends, this is April Harris Jackson at Graceful Aging Legal Services, and today we're back on our topic of conservatorships, and I want to address the issue of inventories. So an inventory is really just an assessment of everything that the respondent, who is probably now being called the ward, what they own. So once somebody has been put under a conservatorship, we need to get a good idea of what they own so that we have a good starting point for our yearly accountings, and also so that the court can accurately set bond if that's required. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to look at what assets does the ward have. What income do they have on a regular basis? So, that might be Social Security, that might be a pension. Any income that they receive, you're going to want to list in your inventory. You're also going to list any money that they have, either on their person that they carry around or hopefully in the bank. Now, you're going to be transferring those to a conservatorship account, but whatever assets they have in terms of liquid cash, you're going to list as part of your inventory, whether it's savings account, checking account, however that may be currently held, you're going to list that on your inventory. You're also going to be including any vehicles, any household goods, any antiques or artwork or other valuable assets that the ward has. And then you're going to be looking at, maybe some things that they also own that, we may not think about as often. So do they have security deposits held somewhere? Are they entitled to a judgment to be paid to them? Do they have some kind of accounts receivable? That is they haven't collected on yet. And then after we think through all of those things, we're going to list really their property, their real estate. And most places will have an inventory form for you to kind of go through a checklist. I know Davidson County has a very thorough form for you to list everything that your ward could have. So that's a really great starting place. But you're going to work with your attorney to fill out the inventory form and get that filed with the court so that they can set bond if needed, and so that you'll kind of know what does the ward have that you may need to, that you might want to maybe sell if they're not using it, what accounts you may need to transfer into the conservatorship, and basically what, as the conservator, you're going to be managing. Because as conservator, you're going to be responsible for all of those assets if you are conservator over the property, unless the court has imposed some restrictions on those or limitations in some way. So that is basically the inventory. I hope this has been helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can email them to us at hello@galsnashville.com, or find us on our website at www.galsnashville.com. Okay, well, that's it for inventories, and we hope to see you tomorrow. Thanks, y'all.